Hey there, today we're going to look at Personio Tutorial 2026. So let's get started. First open Personio and log in to your account. Over here, go to the dashboard to view your tasks, approvals, and recent updates. Then click on Employee List, add a new employee, and fill in their basic information. After that, go to Attendance, enter working hours, approve timesheets, and verify leave balances. Over here, open Absence, create leave types, set policies, and manage employee requests. Then approve or decline any pending leave applications. After that, go to Documents, upload contracts, attach forms, and organize files for each employee. Over here, open Performance, create goals, assign feedback cycles, and track employee progress. Then update evaluations whenever needed. After that, click on Payroll, set salary details, add allowances or deductions, and run the monthly payroll. Over here, review the payslip preview, confirm the calculations, and finalize payroll. Then export the reports and send payslips to your team. After that, go to Settings, update your company information, adjust permissions, and manage integrations. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.